I'm gonna cook some kind of chunk of meat I got at the grocery store. I guess it's a Boston butt, but it's like has the bone removed and it's rolled up and it's like a roast and has a string around it. I'm gonna cook it in my Dutch oven, and I'm gonna use some. I'll show you. See, the short one, I won't be able to do this on, so I'm gonna use my taller one. Besides using that, I'm gonna use this cake cooling rack I got at the dollar store. I got this came from the Mexican restaurant. We got some, a doggy bag or whatever. I always make sure I get one so I can get one of these. And this thing, piece of junk. This came off an old propane heater that stopped working. Just like this one. Just preheating right now. Alright, that just needs to cook for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. It's just over 2.5 pounds, 30 minutes a pound. So I'll check it. I'll check it in a little while. Really nothing to do now but wait. Did you all know that DIY Dark Matter was having a 3,000 sub push? Yep. He does amazing woodwork. Check that out. Yeah, he made this for me. It's cool. Anyway, he made something else cool for the giveaway. I'll put a link down there. If you don't know him, you should go check him out. Make some cool stuff, I'm telling you. Works good, Dark. I gotta check my pork. It's 4 o'clock. That means the pork's ready. I'm looking for about 185. Alright, well, I'm more like 195. That's okay. It's not like it's burned or anything. I'm gonna use my homemade meat hook. Oh yeah. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Well, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna wrap that thing in foil and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Y'all remember to go check out DIY Dark Matter. I'm going to leave a link down there to his giveaway video. Y'all go check him out. And I'm going to go take care of this pork roast, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.